1. Antioxidant properties. Flaxseed contains lignans, which have antioxidant properties that may help protect cells from damage. 2. Blood sugar control. The soluble fiber in flaxseed can help stabilize blood sugar levels, beneficial for managing diabetes. 3. Weight management. The fiber and healthy fats in flaxseed can promote a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight control. 4. Skin health. Omega-3s in flaxseed may contribute to healthy skin by reducing inflammation and promoting moisture. 5. Hormonal balance. Lignans in flaxseed have potential hormone-regulating effects, which may benefit women's health. 6. Bone health. Flaxseed is a source of micronutrients, like magnesium and phosphorus, that contribute to bone health. 7. Cholesterol reduction. The soluble fiber can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, supporting cardiovascular health. 8. Anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3s and lignans may help reduce inflammation in the body, benefiting overall wellness. Ingredients. Flaxseed. Drink 1 glass before bed.